Ultimate Ears EVERBOOM. The Ultimate Ears EVERBOOM is a robust and portable Bluetooth speaker that offers a balanced blend of performance and durability. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it features an IP67 rating, ensuring resistance against dust and water, and even floats if accidentally dropped into water. Its compact size and included carabiner make it convenient to carry on various adventures. Equipped with dual full-range transducers and passive radiators, the EVERBOOM delivers 360-degree sound. While it provides a warm mid-range and clear treble, some users may find the bass response less pronounced compared to larger models. The speaker maintains audio clarity at moderate volumes, though slight distortion can occur at maximum levels. The EVERBOOM offers a battery life of up to 20 hours, suitable for extended listening sessions. The companion app enhances user experience by providing customizable EQ settings, the ability to pair multiple Ultimate Ears speakers, and a megaphone feature for voice projection. However, it lacks certain features like Wi-Fi connectivity, multi-device pairing, and a 3.5mm AUX input, which might be a consideration for some users. Priced at $250, the EVERBOOM sits between the MEGABOOM and EPICBOOM and Ultimate Ears lineup. While it offers slightly enhanced features over the MEGABOOM, the price difference may not justify the upgrade for all users. Overall, the EVERBOOM is a solid choice for those seeking a durable and portable speaker with dependable